Good night, beautiful ladies. All right, I need someone there.
You're gone, baby. You're gone, baby. You're gone, girl. You're gone, girl. Nah. I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you. They said you were leaving. Someone swept your heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's true. Tell me all about it. Tell me about the plans you're making. Yes, baby. Tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to carry on when all that I am living for is gone? Poor for crying, I didn't come here to break down. Just a dream of mine is coming to an end. How can I blame you when I built my world around you, hoping that one day we'd be so much more than friends? I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming, even though it's more than I can pay. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you?
Now, I like to sing for the woman them and the man them follow. But all of the roots man them go, ah! All of the real soldiers them go, ah! All right. All right. We say, nah, bring it up. Sure. All right. All right. All of the real girls them make some nice. Go, ah! All of the real girls them go, ah! All right. Remember I have a girl, you see. But I share her. And next man, woman, and you share her. Sometimes you don't even know if you share your own. Keep it up, be a mind of the story.
You got the situation on your hand. You got a girl, but you're sharing her love. Oh, you know she got a man, but still she want you some. She said you got her heart, but you still I get bummed. You're her future plan, but does the future ever come? You're in a situationship, and it's ruling your heart. You're in a situationship, tearing you apart. You're in a situationship, yes, but you're in love with the situationship. Sometimes love is not enough. But you've got a man, you claim him to be yours, wearing his name as your brand, but no ring on your hand. Everybody knows what's been going on. When Miss Lady come, you're just a pack up and gone. Yes, you're in a situationship, and it's ruling your heart. Oh, na na, now, what's it now? And now my life is in shambles. Here was one. Have you ever been in a situation where you had to cheat on your woman? So tell me then, great etiquette well mannered. Like an angel, she was mellow. If my woman found out she loved me no more, with my grace back. What can you do to stop a man from trying? But I guess I wanna know, nothing you can do to stop a man from trying. What can you do to stop a man? Boom, boom.
I don't know if anybody knows. But if you know this song, yeah, but I don't know if sing it.
From a distance, and it's so wonderful. Only a fool in love would understand. Because the greatest joy in life is for me to get next to you. Yes, I know one day you'll make me a happy man. But you see, those mixed up moods and attitudes, I don't need them. Those mixed up moods and attitudes, I can't use them. I can't stand them on the outside. The day you walked into my life was confusing. Now it was hard for me to see what you were using. Yes, but since the time the family saw what's been done to me so many times before, now baby, I ain't falling for that no more. You see, those mixed up moods and attitudes, I don't need them. I don't need them in the life, only outside. Those mixed up moods and attitudes, I can't use them. I can't use them in the life, only outside.
Pull up paper. And Lenn Hammond that if him bad, you know say, bad. Big up yourself, Lenn Hammond, Zine. Listen to that.
Something happening here, this isn't exactly clear. There's a man over there telling me I got to beware. Why won't you stop, children, and watch this sound? Everybody look, people, what's going on? Nobody is wrong. Where Smokey Joe, no family little and I grow. What the big sign up? Cause all them get me call me Smokey Joe. Me a Bobby I great for me idea me toe. And trees in a row. While mommy and daddy them a play that me know. Keep a watch a Jet Li show. And as the movie does me burn and makes I show. And that's the way the fabulous go. And if you ask, what my name? A Smokey Joe. No family little and I. You don't know Oliver. I might call fabulous and just go. You don't know. A long time Michael Fabulous and represent. Unfamous, Mr. Rowe. You don't know. Question. No mercy. Yes, there will be no more mercy. It's for the merciless. And there will be no more pity. It's for the pitiless. Yes, there will be no more mercy. It's for the merciless. And there will be no more pity. It's for the pitiless. Who are you to be taking life? You can't blow breath. You want to take life. And when it's time to face your judgment, you want to run, you want to hide. You want to say it's not your time. But no, what me say? Yes, there will be blood. Oh yeah. Cause there's only one way, and that is your way. Yes, there ain't no other. If you love Rastafari, let me see some signal. Yes, there's only one way, and that is your way. Yes, there ain't no other way. And if you know our next way must be the wrong way, a simple minion. Just let the Most High be a shelter and protector, and tell him all your troubles, and he will be your refuge. Cause this love is better than there's no. Hey, you don't know dancehall church, Michael Fabulous. Yes, there will be no more mercy. It's for the merciless. People that you don't know. Pull it up, Michael Fabulous.